Amazing wildlife questions and answers. Question number 1. Which bird can rotate its head 270 degrees? Option A, parrot. Option B, owl. Option C, hawk. Option D, eagle. Time start now. Correct answer is option B, owl. Next question. Which animal has a blue tongue? Option A, lion. Option B, giraffe. Option C, koala. Option D, bear. Time start now. Correct answer is option B, giraffe. Next question. What is a group of lions called? Option A, flock. Option B, pack. Option C, pride. Option D, clan. Time start now. Correct answer is option C, pride. Next question. Which bird is the smallest in the world? Option A, sparrow. Option B, robin. Option C, hummingbird. Option D, finch. Time start now. Correct answer is option C, hummingbird. Next question. Which marine animal has no brain? Option A, jellyfish. Option B, starfish. Option C, octopus. Option D, coral. Time start now. Correct answer is option A, jellyfish. Next question. Which mammal is known as the ship of the desert? Option A, camel. Option B, horse. Option C, elephant. Option D, llama. Time start now. Correct answer is option A, camel. Next question. Which bird is often associated with delivering babies in folklore? Option A, owl. Option B, parrot. Option C, stork. Option D, dove. Time start now. Correct answer is option C, stork. Next question. Which animal has the longest gestation period? Option A, horse. Option B, elephant. Option C, whale. Option D, rhino. Time start now. Correct answer is option B, elephant. Next question. Which bird can fly backwards? Option A, sparrow. Option B, hummingbird. Option C, pigeon. Option D, eagle. Time start now. Correct answer is option B, hummingbird. Next question. Which marine animal has the largest brain? Option A, shark. Option B, dolphin. Option C, sperm whale. Option D, octopus. Time start now. Correct answer is option C, sperm whale. Last question. Which bird is known for its colorful plumage and dancing courtship? Option A, peacock. Option B, parrot. Option C, flamingo. Option D, swan. Time start now. Correct answer is option A, peacock.